All right, so I just want to thank everybody for following the channel. This is actually a gift I got myself for hitting 1,000 followers on YouTube. I cannot believe how fast it's been growing. Thank you so much. You have helped me out so much. Because of you, I'm able to get things like this. So cannot wait to unbox this. This is actually my favorite MFK fragrance. So I'm super excited to unbox this. Shout out to Fragrance Nevea. I got this on his website. He has some of the best prices for niche fragrances out there. It's insane how low they are. Oh, man, I should have brought scissors. I thought this would be easier to unbox, but I always forget. Nevea packs them in tight. No, good enough. Good enough. All right. Pull you out. And for those of you that have not purchased from Nevea, it's like an endless cycle of packaging. I love it. He really makes sure everything is in there well. All right. So here's his little logo. He has this box that he'll put them in. I always love how on brand Fragrance Nevea is. Now let's see if I can figure out how to open this. Oh, there we go. Well, sorry, Nevea. We're just busting this. And then we have a special thank you. Enjoy your fragrance. There's Fragrance Nevea. Ooh. We got a handwritten card. Oh, that's awesome. That's cool. You wrote a little message. Now, again, I mean, it was handwritten. I don't know if this is handwritten or if this is printed. I don't know. But still, thank you so much, Nevea. I love how on brand you are and how awesome this is. Now, here's the packaging inside. So I got a tester. So we're not getting the full presentation of the fragrance that I'm about to unbox. And for those of you that have already seen the title of this fragrance video, you know what fragrance I'm about to pull out. So get ready for it. A bunch of like confetti. And then it is wrapped in bubble wrap. Ugh, trying to get rid of this confetti. I don't want it all over the place. Love confetti, but my gosh, it is just messy. Ugh. Okay. Let's see if I can get this out. This is probably the longest unboxing video I've ever done without getting to the fragrance. All right. See, funny thing, I'm actually getting ready to do a live, and I wanted this fragrance in the live, but I thought, you know what? I need to film this first. Oh, this is my favorite. Oh, look at you. You are just perfection. So, for those who don't know what fragrance it is, because I don't know why you didn't read the title that you clicked on. I mean, I guess if it's TikTok, you just swiped and you didn't see. But for YouTube, you knew. You clicked on the video. It is Aqua Celestia by MFK. This is one of the most perfect soapy fragrances out there. It's clean. It's interesting. It's amazing. Versatile. Oh, there's that DNA. I gotta do it. I gotta do it. Oh, that is a beautiful atomizer. So I have a subscription with Scentbox, for those who don't know. So here's one of them right here. This is actually Gris Charnel Extrait. So every month I get one of these. Well, I have been collecting the entire MFK line. So the first one I ever got, though, back in the day, Aqua Celestia. And I instantly fell in love. I'm like, if this is what MFK is, sign me up. If I'm being totally honest, I've never been disappointed. There is one fragrance, the rose one, I wasn't sold on, but now I love rose. So now I need to re-explore that fragrance and see if I like it now. But, oh, it's just so good. This is like the perfect level of soapy, clean, interesting fragrance. Now, yes, some will say it's too basic for what you're paying. I get that. I've also heard rumors this might be getting discontinued, which would be a shame because I love this fragrance. I think it's absolutely perfection. You want a perfect airport fragrance, a perfect intimate fragrance, a perfect church fragrance, a perfect school fragrance, office fragrance, date night. Everywhere you go, this fragrance is perfect, in my opinion. This is a very versatile fragrance. Now, again, some argue it's too basic. I don't want to pay MFK prices for a basic fragrance. Well, at Nevea, I just got this for $150. So that's cheaper than a lot of designers out there. Heck, the new YSL Elixir that's coming out, it's like $200. So I'll take this in a heartbeat. Oh, I'm so glad I had this. Now, I've heard some say, oh, it just smells like detergent, cleaner, like laundry detergent. I actually don't care. I think this is perfect. I think this is going to be that clean, soapy. The ladies love it. The ladies will think, wow, he smells so good. I love it. I'm so glad to finally have this fragrance in a full bottle. I mean, come on. Look at how beautiful the type is, how clean the lines are. Like, come on, MFK. You know how to do a good brand. I like it. I like it. Cannot wait to add more. So, again, thank you so much for following the channel. If it weren't for you people, I would not be able to be buying things like this. So I really, really appreciate it. So thank you so much. Hope to unbox new ones in the future. I have a Xerjoff in the mail. I can't wait for it to get here. It's for my birthday. So anyhow, hope you guys have a great day. Can't wait to talk to you in the future. This is Nubs Fragrance. Talk to you soon.